Hello friends, welcome back. In this video, we will create not found page. So let's say if I type anything, which is like foobar, if I hit enter, so you can see a blank page. So instead of this, we will create a not found page. So let's go to VS Code and inside the app.js, I'll create a new route. So Option Shift and down arrow key will create a new line. And this route is not found, okay, which is already created inside the routes file. So this is the not found and this is the page name. So we need to create the page as well because the page is not created and this is not found, okay, not found. Okay, fine, let me save this. And this also I need one more line of code, and here I'll say not found and page will be not hyphen found. Okay, let me save this file and let's create the file inside the pages folder. So where is the pages folder? Here it is. So inside the pages folder, I'll create a new file and name it as not hyphen found.js. And here we need to say RAFCE, press tab. Okay, so this will create a new page, but the const name is not correct. So what you have to do is you need to select this and then Command D or Control D if you're using Windows, and then we can say not found. Okay, this will replace all the three at once. So here I need a space. So not found. Let's say page. Let me save this. And now here, okay, this is the route. This is the page. So here I have already written the code for not found. So now we can try actually. So let's go on the browser and let me hit enter. Okay, okay. This path we don't. Instead of this route, we need a asterisk. Okay, I think this should be like this. Inside the double quotes we need an asterisk. Okay, let me save this. And now if I refresh it, as you can see, we have this not found page, but we need to style it a little bit. So let's go on the not found page, and here I need to add some classes for Tailwind. So let's do that. So class name that is equal to bg gray background. Okay, then inside this div I will have one more div. So let me just cut this because we need some more divs. Okay, this was the parent div, so that is equal to, now this div we have a class name of max auto, then we have max width screen of large. Okay, let me close this div. Then inside the div we have a p tag, and inside the p tag we will have a class name that is going to be text center and text to excel. Okay, to excel, and here I'll paste not found. Okay, let me save this. Let's go back, and now as you can see we are having this not found in the center, but somehow, okay, just to excel. Now this is looking fine. So text center means it will come at the center. To excel, the font size is to excel. So you can just go through the Tailwind CSS classes in the documentation, because I will not explain each and every class here, because I have already created a course for Tailwind. If you are interested, you can see that. And if you want to learn from somewhere else, you can do it. But Tailwind CSS is good. You need to learn this because it helps us to create all the CSS without any hassle. Okay. So now this is done. What else is remaining? We need the title for this. So I'll just import, sorry, here I need to do import React and use effect. Okay, so now here I'll say use effect, and this will be an empty array, and here I'll say document dot title, that is going to be, let me see what we are giving here. So document dot title, that is fine. Okay, so let me just copy this. This will be not found Instagram. Why this is giving me an error? Okay, here I need a double quote, so let me remove this. Now this is fine. We can see this way also, not found. Refresh it. Use effect cannot be called at the top level. Okay, let me just cut this out and I'll paste it here. Okay, now as you can see, not found Instagram. So we have completed the not found page, but I don't think this is required. Not sure. Let me go to app.js because the path we have given a star. So that route is not required, I guess. This is fine. Lazy loading. Let it be. Let me just refresh it. Okay, we can see a loading. So fine. Okay, fine, guys. This is it. And I'll see in the next video where we will start working on the dashboard page. So see you in the next video. Bye.